Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? This time BTT will fails down, my brother, absolutely, and last 24 hour, and it's a very bad news, my brother. But in last 7 days, here a Bittorrent is completely in the profit now, and I am so happy because I am also holder of Bittorrent now, my brother. So in this video, we will predicate this coin to in August. Can they will give you a profit or not? What's going on in August, my brother? Everything I will discuss you. So kindly you need to watch this video completely to understand better now, my brother. First of all, my brother, as you can see here, this time the change occurring of last 7 days of Bittorrent, you can see here 6.61% profit now, and 0.003076 USD dollar as the latest price of Bittorrent now, my brother. So this chart is completely showing, my brother, so they were moving in upward direction, and you can see here the first line touched the highest point, the second line touched the lowest point, and this time you can see, my brother, they were fails down, completely moving in this circulation. So that's clear, my brother. So the arrows is moving in upward direction in the last point. So that's I'm 100% sure they will give you a profit in upcoming days. So kindly please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, the price will be increasing now. I'm 100% sure. Let's see, holder, please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. My prediction is totally going to be positive now. So that's for absolutely, if you do this what I talk you, I hope you will never lose and you will be get a profit. So please don't miss this chance, get a profit, and my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Just do one comment, my brother, and everyone can understand to my friend what they want. They want to sell, they want to hold, and they want to invest more. So hope you understand, my brother. Please like video, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and absolutely if you are new my channel, so subscribe. Absolutely every stick channel will give you really good news and updates videos.